Say Java for Selenium Part 6, Java Arrays and Java I/O input and output operations. See, in this session I am going to explain two topics. One is Java Arrays, another is Java I/O input and output operations. See, Java Arrays. Next, Java I/O input and output operations. See, first I am taking Java Arrays. See, Java Arrays. See, Java Arrays. What is array? In Java, array is an object that holds a fixed number of values of a single data type. Single data type. Say suppose if it is VB script array can hold different types of data type, but Java array can hold single data type only. Next, the length of array is established when the array is created. Next point, array length is fixed. Index starts from 0 to n-1. See, first, what is array? See, in Java, array is an object. Array is an object that holds that holds a fixed number. That holds a fixed number of values of a single data type. Single data type. Next, the length of or size or length. The length of array is established when the array is created. The length of an array is established when the array is created. When the array is created. Next point, array length is fixed. Index starts from 0. Array length is fixed. Array index starts from 0. See, if it is VB script, in VB script you can find dynamic arrays, but here array is static, size fixed. Next, declaration of arrays. And one more thing, Ritesh, array list also there, that I will explain later. Array list. See, in Perl script, associated array concept is there. In Perl script, variables, scalar variables, array variables, next hash variables are associated arrays. In VB script, Mamata, can you remember VB script? In VB script also we have two types of variables, scalar variables, array variables, and one more concept also there, dictionary object. The dictionary object is equivalent to associated array in Perl script. Getting this point?
Yes, sir.
Here also array list concept is there. Java array list is equivalent to associated array in Perl script, dictionary object in VB script. Okay, I will explain associated array later. In this chapter, just array. Just array. Virat, is it? I started Virat. No problem. Okay, na Ritesh?
Yes, sir.
Array list. Array list. Another concept also there that I will explain later. See in this chapter, arrays. Declaration of arrays. Concentrate. See first method. First method. In this first method, syntax, I will provide example also, concentrate. Syntax, first syntax. Data type, next. Array can hold data. So data type important, data type mandatory. Data type, array name, next square brackets, semicolon. This is creating array or declaring array. Next step, array name equal to new here data type square brackets, within square brackets size semicolon. Define size. Next, third step, array name of index starts from 0, index equal to value, semicolon. This is assign value. Next, just a minute. See index 0, index 1 based on size, like this. See, this is the syntax. Next, example. See, launch Eclipse IDE. Just a minute. Virat, launch Eclipse IDE. Just a minute. Guide me, Dilpreet. You know the syntax. Create array.
So string.
Suppose integer type array. First concentrate on integer type array.
So integer,
int.
square brackets,
What is the first step in this method? First data type array name.
A,
Suppose EA.
square
See
brackets,
1 to 256 letters. Name of variable or array. Square brackets.
equal to,
Observe the syntax. What is the first step? This is first step.
so semicolon.
Semicolon. Observe the syntax. Second step. This is second step. Next, third step. Okay. Now focus. Int array name square brackets semicolon. Over. Next step. Second step. Define size. See, this is create array. Create or declare array. Next step. Define size. Array name A equal to
new
new keyword, new
integer,
int of size, suppose 3, size 3, semicolon. See, define size. Next, third step, assign value. See, here size is 3. Index starts from 0. 0 to n minus 1 means 0 to 2. 0, 1, 2. Then size 3. 0, 1, 2. Next, assign
so
values. Integer type data only. Suppose a of 0. A of 0 equal to some 10. Semicolon. Next, a of 1 equal to some 20. Semicolon. A of 2 equal to some 30. Semicolon. Just try to display SYSO control space, enter. A of 0 plus A of 1. See, it will show 30. Next, SYSO control space, enter. Suppose A of 2. It will show same 30. Run the program. See outputs 30, 30. Observe. Supriya, did you understand this syntax?
Yes, sir.
This is first method. In this first method, we have 3 steps. Create array, define size, and assign value. Assign value, multiple steps based on size of the array. Okay. Next, assign values. Assign values to array elements that more than the length of array. Just a minute. Assign values to array elements that more than the size of array. Will it accept, Ritesh? Will it accept or show error?
It will accept.
More than size. Suppose if you are able to assign values to elements that more than the size of array, then what is the meaning of the size? Size is fixed. We already discussed. Runtime error. runtime error. See, basically in computer programming we have two types of errors: syntax error, system grammar error. Another is runtime error. This is runtime error. See, try to observe this one. Suppose a of 5 or a of 3 also. Suppose a of 3 equal to 40. Observe Supriya. Is it showing any error? Syntax error?
No, sir.
No marking. Try to run the program. Try to run the program. It is showing runtime error na.
Yes, sir.
See, it is not acceptable. Ritesh, understand the concept? Any confusion?
No, sir. Got it.
Okay. See, this is runtime error. So we can assign elements based on the size only. Next, assign values to some elements only. See, observe, in the first example, we assigned values to all elements. 3, size 3 na, index 0, 1, 2. Next, second example, more than the size, 0, 1, 2, 3. See, showing runtime error. Next, assign values to elements. Otherwise, assign values to some elements only. Some elements only. Any error, Mamata? If we assign, suppose array size is 5. You can assign
Okay.
five elements: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Otherwise,
Yes, sir.
suppose,
No error.
just a minute. Suppose 4. 0, 1, 2, 3. 4 elements. All
Okay.
elements. We assigned values to all elements. Run the program. It won't show any error.
Yeah.
See, providing output. Suppose a of 1. Say here array size is 4. You can assign values to 4 elements. Index starts from 0, 0 to n minus 1. 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Just a minute. We didn't assign values to all elements, only some elements. No
No
A
error.
of 1, no A of 3. Will it show
No,
any error or execute
no error.
properly?
Execute properly.
Yes, it will execute. Why? See, assign values to all elements or some elements. No issue. Based on your requirement, you can assign values. But if you try to assign more than the size, if you try to assign values to elements more than the size, then it will show error. Suppose if you assign values to some elements, no issue. Observe, it is showing correct output, no runtime error. Next, assign invalid values, invalid data type. What will happen, Madhavi, if you assign invalid values? What we discussed? See,
Runtime error, sir.
not runtime error. See, array is an object that holds a fixed number of values of a single data type. Here, array is integer type array. If you try to assign another type, not runtime error, syntax error.
Syntax error, right.
Syntax error. See, assign invalid values. Invalid values. Invalid means here data type, invalid data type. It leads to syntax error. Syntax error. See, observe. Suppose in array size 3, you can assign 3 values 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2. 3 values 0, 1, 2. Suppose 0, 1, 2. If you try to just a minute, 0, 1. You can use same values for different elements. It will execute. Okay. Next, try to assign invalid data type. Suppose a of 2. Just a minute. 1.23. See, it is showing syntax error. This is syntax error. You cannot execute. If you try to execute, it will show. See, observe, errors exist in required projects. Proceed. See, error only. Okay, na Saloni, are you following?
Yes, sir.
Say, observe, first example, we assigned values to elements. Here size 3, 0, 1, 2. Just a minute. This is first example. Executed. Second time, more than the size, a of 3. Runtime error. Third time, assign values to some elements only. Executed. Next, fourth example, assign invalid data type. Syntax error. See, this is first method. Next, second method. In the second method, only 2 steps. In first method, 3 steps. In second method, 2 steps. Observe Dilpreet. Syntax. Data type, square brackets, array name equal to new data type, next size, semicolon. See, declare array with length, declare array, okay, with size. Next, second step, assign values. See, array name, next index equal to value. Next example. Dilpreet, guide me. Example. 2 steps. In the second method, 2 steps only.
So integer,
Suppose integer,
square brackets, a
suppose variable name array name a
equal to new integer
data type of
brackets.
size, suppose 3. See, the same step. See, declare declare array with size. Okay. Next step.
So A of 0
Suppose a of 0 equal
equal
to some 10. A of 2, a of 1 equal to same 10. Is it correct usage or incorrect usage?
so correct usage.
Correct usage. Values may be duplicated. No issue. Next, suppose a of 2. You can use same values for different elements. No issue. Suppose 20. Say a of 0 plus a of 1. It will show 20. Output 20. Run the program 20. See, this is second syntax. Next, third method. Observe Saloni, you need to guide me. Third method. Third method. First syntax. Data type, square brackets. Next, array name, data type, square brackets, array name equal to open curly braces. Next, enter values. See, value 1, value 2, value 3, like this. Close curly braces, semicolon. Just a minute. Close curly braces, semicolon. Say, based on the number of elements, size is automatic. Isn't it, Ritesh? Here, what is the size of this array? 3 values now.
Yes, sir.
You no need to define the size separately. Suppose if we enter 3 values, size is 3. If you enter 10 values, size 10. See, the first method, 3 steps. Declare array, define size, next assign values. In second method, 2 steps. First declare array with size, next assign values. In third method, single step. Declare array and assign values. If you assign values, based on that values, size will be generated automatically. Okay. Next, guide me Saloni. Suppose example.
int
Just a minute.
int
Just a minute. Int
square bracket
square brackets
A equals
to
open curly braces
open curly braces values. Suppose some 10,
10
20, 30,
close
40,
curly
50, close curly braces,
semicolon.
semicolon.
Yeah.
Okay. See, this is declare array and assign values. Size automatic. Declare array and assign values. Next, if you try to display
System.out
control space enter, suppose a of Suppose a of 1, a of 1 plus a of 2. What is the output, Saloni? A of 1 and a of 2?
30.
A of 1. Observe. Madhavi, you put mute. Madhavi, you put mute, Madhavi. Can you hear me, Madhavi?
Sir, it's in mute only.
But it is showing green symbol.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll just put a mute in there.
Okay,
Then.
cool. Saloni, A of 1, A of 2. What is the output?
30.
30.
Yeah.
See, first value 10, A
10,
of
yes.
0. Second value A of 1. Next A
Oh,
of 2.
okay, got it. It will be 50.
50. 20 plus 30, 50.
Yes. Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay, cool. Run the program. 50. Okay, na Suleiman? These three methods. Creating arrays. Suleiman. Venkat. 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 Can you hear me, Venkat? You try to use proper voice devices. Otherwise, no interaction. No interaction means what is the use of live program? Suleiman, Venkat, Virat. Okay, Venkat. Okay. You try to fix the problem at least by tomorrow. Virat, can you hear me? Hello? At least type the message, Virat. Can you hear me or not? Type the message in chat window. Otherwise, how I know? Okay, Virat. What about you, Suleiman? Suleiman. Mamata. Are you getting Mamata?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Observe, Mamata. You have knowledge on QTP, UFT, formerly QTP, na? Difference between VB script and Java in case of arrays. Just a small case study. Difference between Java and Visual Basic Scripting Edition, VB script. We use VB script in UFT, formerly QTP. In case of arrays. See, in VB script, array is variable. Array variable. In Java, array is object. And one more thing, observe. If it is VB script, how you declare array variable? Using dim statement, dimension. Dim, for example, A of 3. A of 3. Values, A of 0. Here no semicolon, such type of formalities in VB script. Plain statements equal to 10. Next, A of 1, just a minute. A of 1 equal to 20. Next, A of 2 equal to 30. 30. Otherwise, or you can use same. You can use fixed data type or A of 0 equal to 10. Here single quote for comments in VB script. In Java, 2 forward slashes, integer, this is integer type data. Suppose India, you can assign it is string type data. Suppose 1.234 double type data. Observe, Mamata, this usage, is it correct or incorrect in VB script?
It's correct.
It's correct. VB script arrays can hold different types of data also, but Java only fixed data type. Suppose Java. Suppose Java. Suppose int a equal to square brackets 10, 20, 30, close square bracket, semicolon. It is correct usage. Correct usage. Next, int square brackets, suppose b equal to open curly braces 10, 20, 1.2. This one semicolon. Incorrect. Incorrect. Okay. Okay, now Ritesh, difference between VB script and Java in case of arrays.
Yes, sir.
Next, declaring different types of arrays. Declaring different types of arrays. Declaring different types of arrays. See, char, you can follow any one of those three methods. You can follow any one of those three methods. Say simple method, third method. That's why I'm following the third method. Char square brackets a variable array name equal to single quote a comma b comma c, like this. You can use small numbers also. D close curly braces semicolon. This is array of characters. Array of characters. Array of characters. Next, int square brackets b equal to open curly braces 10, 20, 30, 40 semicolon. It is array of integers. Array of integers. Next, string. String is not data type. String is object in Java. We use the string keyword for creating string type variable and string array of strings. Open square brackets, open and close, C equal to, just a minute, equals to, open curly braces, suppose U of t, next Selenium, next RFT, next load runner, etc. Close curly braces. Just a minute. Close curly braces, semicolon. This is array of strings. Array of strings. Next, boolean. Boolean square brackets D equal to open curly braces. Tell me, Madhavi, what are the boolean values? What? Only two types of values.
True or false, sir?
True or false. Suppose true, true, false, true, like this. See, don't use double quotes for true or false. Reserved words. They are reserved words, not strings. Next, what is this one? Array of boolean values. Array of logical values. Next, double square brackets. Suppose E equal to open curly braces 1.234 comma 2.456 comma 6.7 close curly braces semicolon. Next, array of decimal point values. Array of decimal point values. See, all of you put mute. Put mute. See, if you execute this script, output nothing, means program is executing properly without errors, but no output. Okay. Suppose if any errors are there, it will show errors. See, output, that is one type of program execution, getting output. Next, no output, but no errors. Next, third one, errors. Okay, we have to rectify the errors. See, observe Saloni, I want to display this capital C. Tell me, Saloni, how to display that one? Madhumati, how to
Capital C.
I want to display that C. How to display?
A of 2.
A of 2. A of 2. See, it will display C. Next, Dilpreet, I want to display Selenium.
So C of 1.
Just a minute. C of 1. Selenium. Run the program. See, C, Selenium. See, this is about creating different types of arrays. Declaring different types of arrays. Next, some operations on arrays. See, in this chapter I will show some important operations. Remaining operations we will discuss in built-in methods chapter. See, in built-in methods we will discuss methods on arrays, array methods. Next, methods on strings, methods on numbers, etc. See, copy values from one array to another. See operations. Array operations. See copy values from one array to another. One array to another. Observe. First, declare integer type array. Int square brackets array1 equal to open curly braces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 semicolon. Next, int square brackets array2 equal to array1 semicolon. Just copied. Supriya, print array2. You know how to print array2. Using for
Yes.
loop, you can print array elements. Print array2
For
for
open brace,
for
open bracket, int
int. You take one
square
variable
braces.
for index. Int I equal to index starts from 0 na.
Yes, sir.
0 semicolon. Next, this is start value. Index start value. Next, end value. What is the size of array?
1.
Size of array.
Sorry. 2.
2.
Oh, sorry. 5.
5 means, okay, 5.
Oh,
See here only limited elements you can calculate the size. Suppose if it is a lengthy array, what is the formula? Just a minute. I less than array2 dot length property. It is property, not method. Length property. Observe Supriya.
yes,
Less
sir.
than. We are not using less than or equal to. Why? 0 to n minus 1 na.
Yes, sir.
Suppose less
Sir, but
than length means length minus 1 only na.
Yes, sir.
Next, increment I plus plus. Open curly braces. Next, display.
System.out.println
Ah,
array2.
array2 of index. Here, which one is indicating index? I. Any confusion, Supriya? Run the program.
Sir, what is the array2 in length?
Just a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Displaying. Now tell me.
Sir, here what is the array2 size
We are
is the
finding
same
the
as
size using
array1?
this length property. Here array is object now. We can apply
Yes, sir.
methods and properties on that object.
Okay.
See, those are predefined methods and properties. Here length is property. See, object, suppose object, dog is object.
Sir,
Methods,
here we are copying the array1 to array2 or we are
array1 to array2. Then it will store all these 1 to 5 values na.
Yes, sir.
And then what is the size of that array? You can find this length property.
Okay.
Just a minute. Array 2
2
dot
of
length property. What is the
okay.
length?
5.
Run the program. 5. Observe this one. First one. Length. And then what is the problem?
So here we are copying array 1 to array 2
Array
or
2.
we are finding the length?
Length.
Both we are doing?
Pardon?
We are doing both?
Not both. We are copying array 1 and storing into array 2. Just we are displaying array 2. Now array 1 and array 2 same. Same elements. Same values.
Okay, sir.
This is copying example. Just a minute. Copying example, this one. Otherwise, display example also I will show. See, before this, don't confuse. This is second one. Suppose first one, print an array. Avoid the confusion. Print an array. Suppose remove this one. Array 1 only. Array 1. No another array. Run the program. Okay, now printing array.
Yes, sir.
Length 5, values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are confusing. Second example, copying. First example, just printing.
Okay, sir. Now I got it.
Next example, observe Dilpreet. Just a minute.
Sir, question. Sir, here we can use instead of a regular for, we can use to display the elements by using enhanced for loop also, right?
Enhanced for loop. Is it required?
Yeah, here,
Guide me.
no, it's not required, but we can use that too.
Not required. Then the display. Tell me. For
Int.
For int.
Variable name.
Suppose
colon. Array 1.
Array 1.
System.out.println. Open. System.out.println. Of I.
Of I.
Yes, sir. I mean, in the braces.
Just I. Of I. Okay. Same. Yes, you can use enhanced for loop also.
Okay.
See, print an array. Just a minute. Using for loop. Next, put mute, print an array using enhanced for loop. Next, copy values from one array to another. Copy values to one array to another. Okay. See, next.
Sir, I want to ask you a question regarding for that we are using now. So, is it compulsory to follow the for loop syntax?
Pardon? Which for loop or enhanced for loop?
No, just a for loop, sir.
Just for loop. Just for loop. This one, first one. What is your query?
So we declare the integer I equal to 0. So we can declare outside of the loop for as well, right? Before for statement.
Yes. Just a minute. Int I initial value 0. Int I initial value 0. Just a minute. Here you just use I. Semicolon. What is happening?
Can we remove I itself?
Just a minute. Starting position. See, syntax error na. And one more thing, suppose if you declare variable outside of this block, then how it increments?
That's again the second question, sir. We can
just a minute. You answer this question. Suppose if we use class level variable, how can you increment that variable? Okay. Anyhow, it is showing syntax error. What is the problem? Try to identify the problem. Suppose just a minute. Just a minute. It's not taking. See, complete syntax required.
Yes, sir. For loop syntax only start value, na sir?
Start value. It is not accepting. Suppose static. Okay. What is your second question, Ritesh?
No, sir. I'm just saying that we, in the for statement, we use the I++. Instead of putting I++ there, we can put the I++ under the curly braces as well, right?
See, this is fixed syntax, Ritesh. We have to follow this syntax. Start value, comma, end, so not comma, semicolon. Start value, semicolon, end value, semicolon, increment or decrement. This is fixed syntax.
Oh, okay. So we can do like only incremental, decremental with the integers only, right? Operations with the integers.
Yes, with integer, with increment or decrement.
Okay.
Okay. See, observe Madhumati. Suppose print array, not printer, copy values from one array to another. Suppose I want to copy only particular value, this 3 only. Observe this one. Observe this one. Say, if you have any ideas, you implement the ideas in your mission. If you find any problems, then mail me that script, that program. I will rectify the problem. Okay, na Ritesh? If you have any ideas, implement it.
Okay, sir.
If you find any problems, then mail me with description, program and description. Okay. Next, yes. Observe Madhumati. Madhumati, can you hear me? Madhumati. Why people are not responding properly? Mamata.
Yes, sir.
See, earlier we printed all elements This time I want to, earlier we copied all elements. This time I want to copy only particular element. I want to copy this 3. This one only.
Okay. Okay. Array of 2. Yeah. Array 2.
See, array 2 equal to array 2 equal to
array 1 of 2.
Array 1 of 2. Semicolon.
It's
showing a syntax error.
Yeah, array 1, sir. 1.
Oh, okay. Still.
I mean, no, sir. Yeah. Here the name you misspelled the name. The array 1.
Just
the name.
Yes. This is array 1. I will just copy this one. Just a minute. Still it is showing a syntax error. This is syntax error. Okay. It is not the usage. Observe. Open curly braces. Array 1 of 2. Close curly braces. Semicolon. Now SYSO control space enter. Array 2. Array 2 of 2. What is the output?
3.
Exception.
It should be array of 0, right? Array 2 of 0, right?
Array 2 of yes, only one element na. Yes, 0. Only one element. It stores in first position, means 0. Index 0. So it is showing 3. Okay. In our test automation, arrays limited use. You do not focus more on this one. These concepts enough. This is copy particular value. Copy particular value from one array to another. Just a minute. Okay, next remaining operations we will discuss in built-in methods chapter. Next, come to another topic in the same chapter only. We have 2 types of arrays in Java. See, 2 types of arrays in Java. One is, just a minute. One is single dimensional array. Single dimensional array. Next, multi-dimensional array. Multi-dimensional array. See, we already discussed single dimensional array. I'll show example for multi-dimensional array. Example, 2D array. Observe Dilpreet, int array 1 equal to square within curly braces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it single dimensional array or multi-dimensional array?
Sir, it's single dimensional.
Single dimension. See, single dimensional array. Next, ain't square brackets, 2 square brackets, 2D array. Array of 2 equal to open curly braces, one more curly braces, 1, 3, 5, 7, close curly braces, comma, open curly braces, suppose 2, 4, 6, 8, close curly braces, next one more, semicolon. This is multi-dimensional. Multi-dimensional array. Say, observe Ritesh. Suppose array 1 of 2. What is the output?
3, sir.
3. Okay. Run the program. See, it is showing 3. Okay. Next, in 2D array, actually, first it is tabular format. First value indicates rows. Second value indicates columns. See, rows and columns, 2D array. Suppose, observe Dilpreet, array 2 of 0, 0. What is the output? 0,
1.
0. 1. Okay. First row, first column. Next, 1, 0. 1, 0. See, this is 0, 0. First row, first column, 0, 0. Next, 1, 0.
2 for second row, first
2.
column.
Next, suppose I want to display this 8. Dilpreet, I want to display this 8. Tell me.
So array 2, 1.
Array 2, 1.
3.
3. Good. This is 8. Run the program. See. Observe Madhavi. Madhavi, I want to display this 5. Tell me, Madhavi, 5. This one.
Sir.
Saloni.
0,
2.
Yes,
0.
sir.
2.
2. Yes.
Yeah.
0, 2. Any confusion, Ritesh?
No, sir.
Okay. Just a minute. This one 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. Next 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. Next one small assignment to Dilpreet. Personal assignment. See, tomorrow onwards I will give assignment to all. Say common assignments. Common assignments. Observe Dilpreet. Assignment is print 2-dimensional array. See. Assignment. Ritesh, you didn't send your assignment, yesterday's assignment. Okay, try to send at least by this weekend. Print two-dimensional array. Here I am providing hint also using nested for loop. Okay, na Dilpreet, did you understand the requirement?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, one more topic: advantages and disadvantages of arrays. Advantages. Okay, Ritesh, you sent to my mail, my email gcred@gcred.com. Advantages. Okay, cool. And disadvantages. Disadvantages of arrays. See, first, advantages. Using arrays, we can optimize the code. Data can be retrieved easily. Using arrays, we can optimize the code. Data can be retrieved. Easily. Next, we can get required data using index position. We can get required data using index position. Next, disadvantages. Say we can store fixed number of elements only. Here no dynamic arrays. In VB script, dynamic arrays also there. See, we can store fixed number of elements only. Next, it doesn't change its size during execution. It doesn't change its size during execution. Observe, Ritesh, if you want to change the size during execution, then you can use array list. That I will explain later. Array list. Getting this point?
Yes, sir.
Observe first. Observe the problem, Ritesh. First of all, when we need to change the size of array during execution, is it required?
Maybe, sir, when we using
suppose if you are copying data from files, suppose you don't know the size of the data, that time dynamic array required na?
Yes, sir.
You cannot define the size of array. Suppose if you define size 100, suppose in that file 200 values are there, copying problem. If it is dynamic array, it will resize. Okay. Anyhow, I will show arrays list in future chapters. Then you can get more clarity. See, this is about arrays. Any queries, Mamata? Arrays.
No, sir. Clear.
Okay. See, next chapter, small chapter, Java IO. IO stands for input and output. Input and output. Java IO operations. Java IO operations. See, you know how to display the output on the console. If it is operating system console or Eclipse IDE console, same. You can use that system.out.println, that is for output on the console. Next, what about the input? See, there are three ways available for reading input. See, several possibilities. See, there are three ways available. There are three ways available to read for reading input. For reading input. See, first one, scanner built-in class. Using scanner, just a minute. Next, data input stream, data input stream. Next, buffered reader, buffered reader. Say, using scanner is the easier way, and it includes many methods to check input is valid to read. See, I will explain scanner. Remaining are alternates only. Out of these three, scanner is better. It checks the input data also. Input is valid or not. Say in file handling in Java chapter, I will show how to read data from files. In today's chapter, how to read data using input devices. See, reading data. Observe Madhavi, reading data. Read using input devices, mouse and keyboard. Next, read data from files. This we will discuss later. Files. First time I'm going to explain this one using input devices. Say I think in tomorrow we will discuss read data from files. Okay. Using Java dot util is package dot scanner is class, predefined class, is the easier way, and it includes many methods to check input. Input is valid to read. valid to read. Say scanner, it's a predefined class. Example, say first create the scanner object. You know how to create object. Class name, object name equal to new class name. If it is built-in class, if it is predefined class or user-defined class. Suppose scanner is predefined class. See, scanner, next object name. You can use any name, A, B, C, D also. Okay, scan equal to new scanner. Here option is there. See, in this class we have different streams. See, system.in, semicolon. What is this system.in? System.in is input stream. Say input source, file source also there. That is another option. Here we are going to use scanner object for reading input using input devices. See input stream, file source also there, that is different. This is input stream. Observe Madhavi, it is showing suggestions, import scanner. See, this is predefined class now. If you want to use this one,
Yes.
you need to import that one. The scanner class available in java.util package. See, Java is, observe, it will provide, see, Eclipse IDE provides suggestions. Then you can import java.util.scanner. Scanner is class. See. Okay. Next, observe. First, write on display statement, SYSO control space enter. Enter your name. Enter your name. Next, read the input. Name is string type data. See, string name equal to observe Supriya, scan dot. You need to remember these methods and functionalities of the methods, semicolon. Next, display that one. Name. Just a minute. Run the program. See, enter your name. Suppose enter, it is displaying output. Observe Supriya, green
Yes,
color
sir.
input, black color output. You can change the colors in Eclipse IDE settings. Okay, that is default setting. Observe, instead of next line method, you try to observe just next method. Suppose ABCD, it is showing ABCD.
Still it is showing in the next line.
Next line. Okay, forget about next line. Try to find out the difference between next and next line. Suppose ABCD space XYZ. What is happening?
Oh, it is taking
single word only na. Next
yes,
method
sir.
only taking single word, but names might be multiple words. For that use next line. Try to read, suppose same ABCD XYZ. Now it is displaying na.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand the difference between next line and next methods?
Yes, sir.
What is the difference?
It is showing only one word. The next method.
Next method reads only single word. Next line method can read multiple words.
Multiple word.
Okay. Next.
Sir, in case if your input is more than one line, then it will read only one line, right? With the
one
next
line only.
method.
Here line only. Line is the maximum unit.
Oh, okay.
If you want to read multiple lines, this one scanner object is not suitable. You have to use file object. File object.
Got it.
Okay. Here no multiple lines, single line. You can use lengthy line, no issue. Next, suppose enter your city. This one also string. String, for example, city equal to scan dot next. Say city, only single word. Next, suppose read integer type data. Suppose SYSO control space enter your phone number. Enter your phone number. Observe Saloni. Take the variable for storing that value. Take the variable.
Yes. String phone equals.
Phone number is string.
Int.
Suppose int. Suppose
phone.
Phone. Just a minute. Int phone number. Equal to scan.
Scan.
Dot next int. Next int. You try this one. Just a minute. Next int. Next, display this one.
System.out.println phone.
Phone number.
Phone number, sorry.
Okay. Just a minute. You comment these first two. Source add block comment. Run the program. Enter phone number. Suppose 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 digit. It is showing error. What is the problem? Try to run the program once again. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it is showing. Here integer variable is not suitable, not sufficient, isn't it? Phone number 10 digit
sir.
value. Then 10 digit 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 value. Then 10 dig Tell me, Ritesh. Long is there, na? Not double. Long.
Long.
It's maximum. Long. See, scan dot. Next long. Next long.
But what if, sir, somebody inputs a number with the space in between?
Just a minute. Run the program. 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 digit. Observe. Observe, Salvani. It is displaying now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ritesh, spaces. Suppose 9.
Yeah.
What is showing?
Just the first half of the before the space.
Say instead of that one, you try to use just a minute. You try to use string. Run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next 1, 2. Just a minute. Enter your phone number. Just a minute. Next line. What's the problem? Just a minute. Enter your number. 1, 2, 3. It is not taking. 1, not taking. What is the problem? Print line. Observe the problem, Ritesh. It is not reading this one.
Is that the syntax, sir? Like next, we need to use something else beside next line?
For next line.
We used next long phone number.
Next long. Okay. Then what is the problem? It is not
Is
reading.
that a different syntax we have to use because it's not taking that?
Just a minute.
Maybe num is not a reserved word, right?
Pardon? Num is not reserved word. We already used that one. No. Num is not reserved word. Next working. What about next line? Just a minute. Okay, first of all, observe, Ritesh. If you use space, that is not number. That is string type data only. Space is special character type, na?
Yes, sir.
If you want to use space, then read to string. String only. Space not acceptable na in integers or floating point values.
Yeah, true, sir.
That is not mathematical number. Just a minute.
We cannot limit the string input, or can we?
Pardon?
Can we limit the string input up to like 10 digit or 10 alphanumerical?
No, we cannot restrict. For that, you need to write the logic. We cannot restrict. String may have alphabets or numbers or special characters or both or all.
And there is no limit, right? Like
no
user
limit.
can input.
See,
30,
in
40
notepad also you
yeah.
can write a lengthy line na. Okay, limit might be there. I will check that one. Actually, lengthy strings also not required for our test automation. Generally, in our test automation, we use strings for reading input fields for comparison. So, lengthy data not required. Okay, na?
Okay. Yeah.
Next, suppose here we use next long. Next, double type data. Double type. Suppose just I will show integer also. Enter your ID. Int ID equal to scan dot next int next display that one ID. Next double type data. Double type. Say enter a value. Enter a value. Read double. Suppose D equal to scan dot next double next display D. Next character type data. Observe Dilpreet. Enter a character. Char. Suppose char A equal to scan dot next this is method. Next option. Observe this syntax, Dilpreet. Option char at 0. I will explain this one. Semicolon. Next A. You comment all the outputs. Source add block comment. Try to run the last one. Suppose A. Output A na. Suppose ABC. What will be the output?
A.
A only. Next, observe Dilpreet. Character at 1. Run ABC. What is the output?
B.
B. See, you can use single word, single character or multiple characters. Depends on that index position, it will read. Any confusion, Ritesh?
No, sir, I'm good.
See, suppose 0. Suppose 1, run A. See, error 0. Just run 1. Observe Supriya. It is reading 1 only, 1 na, but internally it is character. It assigns
Yes, sir.
single quotes internally. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. We covered maximum types. Just a minute. Uncomment, remove block comment. Next, Boolean type. Read Boolean type data. Saloni, read Boolean type data. Suppose SYSO control space enter within double quotes. Enter a value. Suppose enter a logical value. Next, read that value.
Boolean
Boolean value. Suppose Boolean name b equal to
scan
dot next Boolean. Next. B. Now try to run the entire program. See, enter name, enter city, next enter your phone number, next enter ID 123, it is integer, next enter a value, next enter a character, next enter a logical value, and just a minute, true. Okay na Mamata? We covered maximum data types na?
Yes, sir.
See, this is about reading input using input devices. Reading data from files, that is different. That we will discuss tomorrow. This is only using input devices. Just a minute. Next, output. You know how to display output on the console. See, all of you put mute. Display output. See, somebody's still making noise. Avoid that one. Okay. Display output on the console. Only displaying on the console, no exporting to files. Observe. Say int a, for example, a equal to 10. Next, b equal to 20, semicolon. Next, say print a value, a variable value, just variable name, a. See, it will show this is print value of the variable. Print value of the variable. Next, print message. Suppose welcome to Selenium. See, it will show welcome to Selenium. This is print. Just a minute. Print message. Next, message with variable value. Message with variable value. Suppose addition of A comma B is concatenate A plus B. This is message with variable value. Print message with variable value or mathematical. Just a minute. Just a minute. Variable value or mathematical operation. Mathematical operation output. Next, say addition. Addition, otherwise just value. Value of A. Value of A is concatenate A. Concatenate A. Next, again concatenate. Next, just space. Value of B is concatenate B. Observe, message variable value, again message variable value. Run the program. Observe the outputs. Dilpreet, first output variable value, second output message, third output message with variable value or mathematical operation output. Next, observe message variable value, again message variable value. Any queries, Dilpreet? This output.
No, sir, it's clear.
See, this is about IO operations, input and output operations. Here we read input using input devices only. Reading input from files is different. For that, if you want to read data from flat files, means file which doesn't have any format, notepad like text file. If you want to read data from flat files, a file object required. If it is Excel file, Excel object required. That we will discuss later. Now only reading data from input devices. Okay, I'm going to close the session. Any queries, Dilpreet?
No, sir, it's clear.
Okay, cool. Madhavi, any queries? Madhavi?
No, sir, I'm good.
Okay, cool.
I'm good, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Madhumati? Madhumati not responding. Mamata.
I'm good, sir. Clear.
Okay, cool. Ritesh.
I'm good, sir. Thank you.
Okay, cool. Saloni.
I'm good. Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome. Suleiman. Suleiman not responding. Supriya.
Yeah. I'm sorry, I couldn't talk today.
Okay, cool.
Mm-hmm.
If you have any problem, just type one message enough.
No, I was in a meeting, so
Okay.
I couldn't talk. Yeah.
If you are in another work, no issue. Okay, cool. Supriya.
Yes, sir, I'm fine, sir. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Venkat. Virat.
I'm good, sir. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. See, we will meet tomorrow, same time. Thank you.